How to use Cardless ATM feature on Bank of America. In order to use the Cardless ATM feature on Bank of America app, you can add your debit card to your smartphone digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay as well. Then you could just tap onto your device on an ATM's contactless symbol and alternatively select the cardless options on the ATM screen as well. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you have to set up, right? So ensure your Bank of America debit card is added to your phone's digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Wallet. After which, you just want to locate or find a Bank of America ATM with a contactless symbol. It looks like a Wi-Fi like icon, and all you need is just open the digital wallet and select your Bank of America debit card. Hold your phone or a wearable device near the contactless on the ATM. As you've done that, you then need to enter the debit card PIN on the ATM keypad when prompted. Select your transactions, and you could also use the app code or QR code. Enter in the PIN and confirm the withdrawal. That's how you'll be able to use Cardless ATM feature on Bank of America app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.